How to fix camera failed error in Samsung mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and click on camera. Now here you can force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. After force stop your camera, then scroll down and click on storage, and then here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open your settings again. In settings, scroll down and click on security and privacy, and then scroll down and click on updates. Now click on Google Play System update. Now here you can check your update. Now click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.